let's plant some spinach. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, everyone, and today we're going to be planting some spinach down at our allotment. Obviously it's too early to be sowing it outdoors in the ground, but we've got as new raised beds in as polytunnels, so we're going to sow some in here. And today it's about 10 degrees in here, so it's still pretty cold, but it is going to warm up this week, fingers crossed, and hopefully get pretty decent down here. It's going to be about 14 degrees outside, so add a couple of degrees on in here and it'll be about 16 to 17 degrees. So it's ideal time to get it germinated in the polytunnel. So we're going to sow this directly into our raised beds, but this is going to be one of my raised beds that I'll have tomato plants in. So I don't want to do it right close to the back because that's where my tomato plants are going to go, as this will still be probably growing when my tomato plants are put in May time. And best thing about spinach is that it's cut and come again, so you can keep snipping off what you need, and yeah, it'll keep producing. Obviously you need to keep replacing the plants every so often, but hopefully it will get a decent crop of spinach. And it's great to have like with your eggs, scrambled eggs, and in your meals, in your salads. So it's a perfect choice to have in the raised beds down here in the polytunnel. So yeah, let's get these in and let's get these sown. So this is the raised bed that we're going to do them in, and as you can see, we've put 3 lines that we're going to grow them in, and I'll grow my tomatoes towards the back of the raised bed, so then we can still grow the spinach in front of them, and yeah, hopefully get a good crop of spinach. And as you know, spinach makes you big and strong like Popeye. So we need to get a seed, which we've got, and we need to plant them directly into the soil with enough spacing in between them. There's 100 seeds in here, so we don't need them all, but we'll sow enough to keep us going and hopefully through the summertime. So let's get these spaced out. So we've put all those in the little ridges. We've spaced them evenly apart, and yeah, they'll probably be too close together, but we can always pull out the other plants and leave enough spacing once they get growing and hopefully germinate. So next up is to just cover them over, label them up, and give them a good water to get them started. So we've given them a good water, we've labelled them up, we've put a spinach in so we know where they're going to pop up. We've also put some food in there, which is the Westland Boost, so that'll help feed them for the next 6 months. We'll probably sprinkle some more on in a few months, but yeah, that should feed them for 6 months and hopefully develop some good spinach plants down here. That's what we want. See how long they're going to take to germinate. I'm guessing probably about 2 weeks before they start popping through, but we'll see how well they get on, depending on how warm it is actually in the polytunnel, and if they get some good heat in here to get them growing and get them germinated. So we'll be harvesting these pretty early because spinach doesn't take long to get going. Once it gets going, it'll get growing pretty fast down here, so we could be snipping some off come April time. We'll see. That's the plan anyway, so I'm looking forward to that. So thanks for watching today's video on sowing our spinach seeds. Make sure you drop us a follow because we do regular updates in the polytunnel of how everything's growing and getting on. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.